doing good. And I just decided to start plaiting like a protective style. So I wanted to show you a little bit about how I'm doing it, and hopefully, I pray that this protective style turns out good, so that is something I can work with. Basically, you can tell I'm in the living room. I have set up the phone on a chair because my tripod broke. Anyway, I randomly decided to do a protective style that I want to keep for the whole month of June. And if my scalp is still okay, I'm going to try 2 months, but the ideal is to do a full 4 weeks. Today is Madaraka Day, so I'm not at work, and I just decided to start with one. So right now my hair is matutas. Let me try and show you. My hair is in matutas, like braids that's only in my natural hair. So, and it's like medium size. Yeah, so I'm really hoping that this protective style can just help me with length retention. I haven't done a protective style in over 2 years, almost 3 years actually. It's mostly because I've really struggled with my scalp. I'm doing this hair by myself because I know I'll be more gentle, like very low tension, especially with the back and the areas where my scalp is very sensitive, like this crown area. So I took it out of the packet, and this is how the hair is looking like. It's Afro Kinky. So these are the pieces I have. I tried cutting some. I was like experimenting. Okay, braid, I'm using one piece of the Afro Kinky hair. I'm not separating it, I'm not cutting it, I'm just plaiting over my braid to like protect it. But then what I'm doing, instead of putting it like this, I'm having one side be slightly longer than the other side. So I'm holding it like this, and this is the section of the piece that will go straight over the root of the braid, so that I'd really like the end of it to have a curl. Alright, so there won't be many clips for this video. It's not like I'll be having you guys watch the entire process. I'll just show you how I'm plaiting one, and then I'll come back and show you how half of my head is looking like, and then I'll show you the final result, just because I didn't really charge this device that I'm filming with. I'll be placing this piece onto the braid, actually underneath the braid. So this is how I'll have it. Yeah, I hope you can see. So this is how I'll hold it. I'll have one side of it just slightly longer, and I just put it underneath the 3 pieces, like my braid, the hair, divided into 2. So I first start by plaiting just a couple of times like that. Before I complete the 3rd round, I just start twisting the hair, twisting and making sure my braid is completely covered by the hair that I'm using. Twisting and wrapping in such a way you can see one side is still longer than the other. So towards the end, what I do, I try and very slightly separate the shorter side so that it can completely wrap without unraveling. Okay. It's so hard to explain. Like I'm not very good at giving tutorials, but I'm trying. It's completely wrapped, and I have a little curl at the end, and it still feels so light. With the root, there's no tension. So that's what I'm doing for each of the braids, just wrapping around. This is how it's looking like, with a bit of curl at the end. They're also not very long. They're just, I hope they turn out good, honestly. Okay, so I finally finished the hair. Very lightweight, like it feels so nice. I can access my scalp if I need to, like, you know, oil. So I'm happy. I feel so cute. It's kind of bulky and short. Like it's reaching here, right here. I didn't want it to be long. I just wanted them short. So they don't look like Marley twists. They don't look like passion twists. They're like very kinky, and it's giving dreadlocks somehow. I purchased this braid spray. This is by Darling. It's a 4-in-1 braid spray. Has anti-dandruff properties. So I'll just be spraying this over the protective style at least like maybe twice a week, just all over, to maintain it and keep it shiny and smelling good. As a matter of fact, since I've just plaited the style, you know how they do in salons to give you that fresh smelling style? So that's what I'm doing. Just spray. Oh, it feels really nice on the scalp, like coldish, like a refreshing mist. I love this. And it smells like fresh, like a fresh scented mist. It's not like a perfume, it's just like giving freshness to the hair. So I love that. My scalp hurts. It's actually painful to the point where I low-key feel like crying, but I'm not going to cry. Oh my goodness. I guess not everything works for everyone. I was really hopeful with this though, because I was hoping that it would last me like 4 weeks. But my hair, my scalp. Okay, so right now I'm just massaging my scalp to kind of soothe it. I just wanted to say, as much as, yes, I'm in kind of pain and this didn't last as long as expected, I'll still leave this tutorial up. I'm pretty sure it can, help someone with plaiting their own protective style, especially if you have like afro kinky hair in the house, or fluffy kinky can also work for a similar look. Yeah, so please comment down below if you relate to my struggle. Feel free to share tips for me with how to manage protective styles if you're someone who used to struggle like me and these days you're able to keep your protective styles in for like longer than a week. Yeah. Anyway, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know your thoughts on this protective style. If it's something you'll try, or if it's something you've tried before, let me know. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.